Nipa na wabubu na Addo statue no. Onyankopon nhyira no. Menim nipa kwanka me mecha wo $1,000. Sikana aliko. Edema aliko Dangote de mamono. Did you give it to Bawumia? Why do I have this audio? Because they have chopped somebody's true, and therefore, edidija any muna nenam audio no so dear. Me wanna hodo.
Ebusia Queen Afia Schwar's nega abeliki audio bina audio ni mu nsem no we de efa MPP His Excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufuado te say president a we fisus nanseyan I any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia any Gabby Ocheda kumu nyina di wo mu ye expose.
Putting there, he was doing all this thing, but underground, he's helping mama.
Me did the captain of Afia Schwar's nega. So you see, MPP youth no. Nanado, where you see it for free. Where you see it, I have more than 10 audios. Meboni ninara. Meboni ninara.
Aha, let's talk ghtrends. And any first time I pop into a video, make sure to subscribe. Am I no click on notification bell on said be latest updates be about sabit me aka no share. Am I front so be share your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and your TikTok as let's talk ghtrends. Also be follow these pages. Any comments be answer one feel free nija or comment section or money. I was saying your name say Queen Afia Schwar's nigga sometime back with the so much was say or audios be or why a trace and Nana Dankwa Ekufuado. Sabotage Bawumia or can be an Bawumia enya abano. Na enano power she and your the audio ni be aba. Some parts of the audio just all be prove say yes or leak or just or audios for while no. A bunny muse won leaky or be leaking na audio ni musem na eseweni and se okatre Queen Afia Schwar's nega abe reveal secret upon secret a course wa bra na His Excellency Nana Dankwa Ekufuado president no
woni bibi ewi ase ade ya na se obi be fa wade asie na nipa ko di wachi se korere MPP for youth be pa chomo ti asem me yi mani asem chene me clean me fie ansa na matimi akọ clean obi die me clean me fie first. The cleaning starts with NPP. We are not going to do delegates voting again. Every NPP member must go and use their kokromoti to choose who we want to represent us. Said Yebeya Abano Tua. Frepoma, they were using Bawumia. Bawumia audio way obiani. Nipo audio way Gabby Ochredako. Because I told them to go and pay the woman, they've not paid the woman. Me audio ni na anebi. Me audio ni bi wo me and my friend Nigeria for no. You will hear my voice in the audio speaking to them. Me and my friend because I wanted to get some facts. Because and some no she. I'm telling you today. From this day, Oye Osunoba, this is the agenda we are channeling. We don't want delegates again. Ye pesa ye di ye kokromoti etu amano. Now, Mumusana Nano say, a dientina from 2019, Ebesiso Mufra Baimu, Bawumia didn't go for any international official visit. Why? If what this man is saying is a lie. Number two, Sikana Aliko, Edema Aliko Dangote de Mamono. Did you give it to Bawumia? Did you? Because I have audio here. I have the audio here. His Excellency Nana Ekufuado. I have the audio here. I will play HNN. Money me papa. I told you people, I don't like people wasting my time. Every day Bawumia, Eko Kasatia Ilevi, our cabinet, and I was sidelining, you know. And you made him useless. Nipa na wabubu na Addo statue no onyankopon nhyira no menim nipa kwanka me mecha wo $1,000 because that man he has used us. Namuntie, this audio is very long. The way ababoy all hell will break loose. I know. Me we do me phone namada. Anne. All hell is going to break loose. By this time, call Nigeria anywhere. Nane, almost a presidential palace now, Messi Abuja, and almost farm man. Almost farm. Me informant no say Farouk say oil block na Sumunya. Oil block na Munya. Yes. Me we am ko do me phone no mada. Me we am ko da because wo boy na waka Nigeria for no say Bawumia elusia what the wo boy ne beba no wo boy no one ma. Wo boy no one ma. O me say audio na fine, won GS can na wa na me sure bye bye. Wo boy no one ma. Wo boy na wo say wo de ne beba no one ma. Say we are not going to use delegates again. No. Gabby, yenina ya yosunoba. Yenina ba kwa salai. Sepata pani e pena. Ye betu aba mapata pa be represent of the Guyana transaction. Allegedly. Sikana modia koto Guyana allegedly. I will put the details out. Don't ask me how I got it. I'm a journalist. How I get my information is nobody's business.
Putting there, he was doing all these things, but underground is every mama.
Me did the captain of Schwar. So you see, NPP, youth, Addo, where you see it for free. Where you see it, I have more than 10 audios. This is just to report to yourself that the political police is back. Now, why did Addo do that? I will come and tell you. Why did I have this audio? Because somebody's trumu has been chopped. Why do I have this audio? Because they have chopped somebody's trumu. And therefore, edidija any muna nenam audio no so dear. Me wanna hodo. And people use all of us has been scammed. I got hold of this audio and I started crying because Uti and Sema what tape now we're visiting Addo events to election. Everything makes sense. And this is the plan that John Mahama was 4 years ago. After 4 years, they will push their guy to come in. Yes. And Bawumia was used as a puppet. And it is sad. It is sad. Say, NPP youth, we are done with delegates voting. Yeah, just had the animal also be sorry. I want the constituency. We will not sit down from conformity to pump money. The money that has been sent to Guyana, I will come and give you all the banking details. I am cleaning my house first. The political police, me cleaning me fee, me ye many ascension, me cleaning me fee, and San Martiniaco cleaning will be there.
Ebusiana chese de ekono no hu se Afia ahye police atare wo si de ye police station bia oye bi e wona so ye ho achese sisia de expose upon expose ana Queen Afia Schwarzenegger e de ebre na wutie nsem a oka ene niema a obiebie so ana chese wiase ye si sro de wo benwo medi mani edi nsem na chi wonu se Afia de wa starting ni say ni de o de bebre back to back. Any updates be about me the ebebro your Facebook as Let's Talk ghtrends and your TikTok as Let's Talk ghtrends. So say go follow these pages. Edamame don't forget say obe like it and so edamame. Be ding edina make santua. Makram.